say to you, this is very serious, D'Angelo. We bought a piece of land from sis and we're building a house.
That's
Because we're gonna move back to Jamaica and we're selling everything we have. I don't want no white socks, but if you get me something where I have like a fuzz span it, because I don't know how you still have AC on and your friggin' floor is so cold and my foot cold. Fluffy, either a fluffy one, you know those fluffy warm one or a black socks, but I don't want no white socks. Everybody like wear white socks, we like dark socks or fluffy warm socks. And my foot, my toes them are cold, man. When the rain fall outside cold.
Hey, I don't know fluffy what socks and the theme socks them, they're all put away inside the one.
Don't bring up my trailer, bring no white socks going on.
No, I don't have. These are the.
So the kids them yes them now fluffy socks.
No, those are the theme socks. All those theme socks.
I mean theme socks.
Like, you know the theme socks that they have? These are Masonism socks too. You know the theme socks? How they have like the fur and stuff on them?
So so you bring me one of them then?
Mom, stop playing with me, man. That's all the way inside of the basement downstairs. I don't have none of those socks. I should have to go through all of the stuff. It's a thing there too.
Let's say the find one of the theme socks.
The what?
One of the theme is a theme socks. We want a fluffy socks. I mean we use them black one. This is fine. This is fine. Mason them foot biggie. Blood clot. No sir.
You know what
They put them foot big so.
you know what they say? When you have big foot, you know you get it from your
I
father. You get it from your father. You get it from your father.
No, go so because your father foot no big and your father foot big
Okay.
and make no difference.
Okay.
You nothing but talk about big foot because your foot small.
Okay.
And your little teeny parts small like you. Anyway, put fun aside now. Maybe if you
want
talk to
something
you.
to eat?
No, I need to talk to you about this is why I come here. I need to discuss something with
You
you.
want something to eat?
I don't want nothing to eat. I need to run something by you.
What are you saying? You gotta run.
I'm not running you. This is why I don't like talking to you now because when
You said you gotta run something by me.
I'm gonna run something by
It's
you.
what you say because you're Jamaican.
We should have this conversation with Reef and we should have this conversation with.
Yes, you probably should.
But you
You
are the
wanna leave?
closest one, huh?
You wanna eat?
Do I look like I'm hungry to you?
You always ready to eat something.
Yeah, but I'm not ready. When I'm done talking to you, then I will eat.
Okay, let me get something to eat. Let me get
Angela,
something.
I don't have all day.
Okay, so lady, so you can talk, I'm listening.
After me and you don't talk, then we have the beef and rice. Can we
You're coming
just...
like a wounded dog.
I'm not a wounded dog.
Okay,
Don't talk about
okay.
me wounded.
Lady.
You need to me. Can you come on, D'Angelo, can you stop fooling around? All the blood clot you feel all your life is just bumper clot fooling around all the time people want to have a conversation with you. I ain't joking, man. I don't get no make I'm a blood clot, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna call me
Okay.
for talk to me. If I'm
Okay.
coming come like me waste my time.
Alright.
Okay. Are you ready to listen to what I have to say to you? This is very serious, D'Angelo.
Can I turn on the TV at least?
Don't want all me gonna talk to you to turn on TV. This is very serious. This is what I have to say to you. You know, sis moved back to Jamaica.
Yeah.
When sis moved back to Jamaica, stop blood clot. Stop it's not a joke, man.
Okay, well.
Are you gonna still piss around and continue?
I'm not. I'm talking to you. Okay. I like your earring.
You know what? I need to have.
I like your earring.
Can I
Okay.
just have a serious discussion with you, D'Angelo, when you stop fooling around?
I'm not doing anything. I'm talking to you.
You need to stop being an ass. Because you're being a donkey right now. You need to stop being a donkey. Can you stop being a jackass?
Yes.
Okay? Stop being a jackass and listen to what I have to say.
Okay, I'm listening.
Because you're going to have a lot of jackass in your life. Okay? When this shit hit the fan. Sis?
Which one was sis? Oh, the sis was the one that fed me the broccoli with the cheese.
Yes.
That was my favorite. You know, I used to love broccoli with the cheese. Now I can't eat broccoli. Every day she give me broccoli with cheese every day. Okay, go. I'm just saying, I remember sis. She used to babysit me.
Can you be serious?
Yes.
Sis used to babysit you all of that. But this is what I need to tell you.
Just give me broccoli with
This is what I have. This is what me and dad planning to do. We bought a piece of land
Yes.
from sis.
Oh.
Yes.
Tell them did that. Tell them have a
Yeah.
piece of land.
So we bought a piece of land from sis, and we're building a house down there.
Oh, shit. Tell them have a house down there too.
Yes.
That's lit.
Because that is what we plan to do.
Oh, that's
so
lit.
me and your dad, being as though sis moved back and we bought the land from her. She's moved back. Sis have a business down there and
she have
everything.
business down there. That's different.
A restaurant down there.
That's different.
So which part we buy the land, which part our house, they she have a whole heap of land. So we have built right on the land close to where our house is.
Okay.
So decide, so well then, okay.
You decide.
When you start it, so you need to, don't lie down. You need to know we're gonna move back to Jamaica. We're gonna sell, we're selling the house and we're selling everything we have. Is there anything in the house that you want, you can get? But so if there's anything in the house you want, you can get, Reef can get, Ela can get, but everything else I go pack up and ship home. The house soon finish now, so me just make you know, say that our intention. Because you guys are big people now, we don't have no own, so we don't need to turn in this cold country no more. You understand me? So we have moved back to Jamaica.
It's only cold for 2 months, January, February.
It's not cold for 2 months. It's cold for December, January, February, March, April, May. And in May we get like a warm weather. So at least 6 months worth of cold we have in this country. Nothing else.
It's not like that no more. It doesn't even snow on Christmas.
Well, okay, we know that. But on top of that, your dad bone is getting very old. He have all kind of pain. He have pain in my neck, pain in my back. The heat is on and we're still feeling pain. So we in your house here now,
Heat's on.
and you have your AC,
yeah,
and we have to give me a socks for one more
because
foot.
it was
rain a fall, and it's cold outside.
Heat's on now.
So I am letting you know. Then when we move back, maybe you can come to Jamaica and all of them dry crusty thing on your foot probably disappear.
Your time is in the morning, and it's early morning now.
Whatever it is the same thing with me. Me scale to like fish, but not like you. So moving home back, we kind of change. You can't touch your leg.
Oh, stop rubbing my. Why are you rubbing my leg?
Am I rubbing you? I am not rubbing your leg.
Yes,
I'm your mother. I am just putting my hand on your foot.
Don't rub my leg.
Don't touch you?
No, don't rub my leg.
Why? It make you feel something?
No, it doesn't.
So I'm just asking you because why you can't touch your leg means your mother. Because you can't touch any part of your body, your leg, your hand.
Your hand is as coarse as mine and your skin.
My hand is that scratch your skin. Okay, well. So anyway, back to the program.
No, you can't move. You can't sell everything.
So
you can move to Jamaica if you want, but you can't sell everything. How does that do?
So when I go use when I go to Jamaica, if me not sell when me have to sell when me have so we can get the money for bring with me.
So sis sell everything that she has.
Sis did that. Remember sis at her house and she sell her up Kennedy. She sell her house. She move up. She ship first of all she ship home her furniture and then she sell her house. And then she go home. So this is what we are in the process of doing now. We are calling the people them so them come pack up the stuff them. That's what I'm saying. If there's anything in the house where you want, you can come take. We will call Reef and make him know the same thing. If there's anything we want, he can come take.
So you didn't tell Reef yet?
No, I'm talking to you. I don't talk to Reef yet. I'm talking to you now, make you know what's in process. Then I'm gonna tell him after. But I'm telling you first.
Why?
Because you are always the person when me always like to who is close to me where I can talk to first.
Oh my God, I'm gonna move from Mom, you can't just sell everything and then just move back to Jamaica. You can't just
Why I can't do that? What's wrong with me doing that? That's what I am. I am in the process of doing that.
Puss and dog don't have the same luck. Who says that all the time?
I said puss and dog have the same luck, but where I'm going into Jamaica, Me not have to worry about buying food.
How?
There is mango, there is breadfruit, there is banana, there is yam planting, everything
So you're
is there.
So you're vegan now?
No, I'm not saying I'm vegan. I'm just saying food is going to be there abundantly. Good food for our body. You understand? You know how much fear, you know what them said, our Jamaican banana for $3 fucking pound, them a sell a banana for. Our banana when we eat here, $8 pound for yellow yam. When we go back home, we don't have to worry about them things because everything is there. We have yam, breadfruit, banana, plantain, and all of the herbs that we need for my body. I go there, we have guava. Good guava when you cut it, it's ready on the inside. And then eat that blood clot white guava here with them a sell we are.
What's gonna happen when you sell the house?
What's gonna happen when we sell the house? I'm gonna have the money to bring back with me. You understand me? So me I gonna have that, like we done pay for the land already. We done a bill already. So when that done now, you know, we are gonna still have money to finish up everything. You understand? This is why we had to do that.
Okay, I'm coming too.
You coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
That's fine. It's okay.
No, I'm
so where you want to
I'm
come?
just gonna just leave everything here and I'm just gonna come live there with you. I'm just gonna leave everything here.
No, but you have your children them. No.
Oh no! Oh my God!
You have your children them.
Oh my God!
You have small kids. You have your children them. They're fucking small. Who know a big great one man? Okay? So why would you wanna left your children if you follow me and your father after me not go no breast? Me not give you breast. You understand me? You have your small kids and me have to stay have to take care of your small kids them.
Didn't you just say just a while ago
Uh-huh.
you can't leave your kids there? You said it, not me.
No, I said
I just said
you
said.
cannot leave your kids there. I can leave my grown ass man kids there. My grown ass daughter, my grown ass son. I can't leave them because I'm big people.
How? I'm still a baby.
Which part? Look on your chest is bigger than mine. Well, which part are you a baby, D'Angelo? You're a grown ass freaking man. Listen, D'Angelo. All I want you to do is say, Mommy, yes, you can go. You want me to go down on my knee and beg you?
No,
go down on my knee. My knee
hurt.
My knee hurt me, so we will squat here, so. D'Angelo, I'm not going to go down on my knee. But you seems to be the hardest pick when me have. Where I don't know why you're so tied to me like a blood clot handbag. Reef is very independent and out there. Why are you sucking on for me like a handbag? I am begging you. I want the okay from you first. You understand?
You're not gonna get it.
Maybe we're not gonna get it.
You're not gonna get it, so I don't care. You're not gonna get it. It doesn't make any sense. What you're talking about makes no sense. So you're not gonna get it. You can't just go to Jamaica and just live just like that. You're just gonna go to a foreign. You're just gonna drop everything here and then just go to a foreign country just like that.
It's not a foreign country, D'Angelo.
So
I was born there. What's so foreign about that?
Mom, you can't just sell everything and then just build a house. You don't even know the people that you're building a house with. You think you know them.
I know her.
No, you don't know how they are now. From then till now, you don't know how they are now. You don't know how it's gonna be. So this is what happens so much times, and then people end up getting taken advantage of, and then it's your own friend and family that end up turning around and robbing you.
Well,
that's what happens. So you can't.
Nobody not going to rob me.
Mom, it's okay. You can't just do that. You don't have to get on. I don't want you to get on and need them because you need them in no good. So you can't just do that. Do you want something to eat? I'm done with this conversation. Do you want something to eat? I'm not having this, Mom. I can't have this conversation. I really and truly can't, because this what you're telling me don't make no sense. And I don't feel like I just don't.
Why you can't pick the? Does it sound like nonsense to you?
Yes, and I don't feel like yelling.
So why you cannot pick the? Why you cannot pick the sense out of it? Why can't you pick the sense out of it? I'm not speaking nonsense, so there is have to be sense where you can pick out of it.
Yes, I did. I picked out the sense, and it's all nonsense. I picked the sense out of it, and it's all nonsense.
What is nonsense in it, D'Angelo?
Mom,
it's my house, it's my money.
Oh, your house now, your money.
Yes,
your house, your
my
money.
house, my money. So what the if me want to go, me going to go. And if you don't want to give me your blessing and your consent, you. I don't give I don't tell you already. So I will go talk to Reef, and I will let Joseph know what's happening, and you can
I'm just letting you understand this.
Mm-hmm.
You're almost there. Okay.
Almost there, baby, no.
I don't even want to try to make it I'm trying to make light of this situation. Me, Reef and Joseph, I'm telling you this right now, we do not want to go back to Jamaica to go.
I'm not bringing you there.
I know that, but I'm just saying,
bringing you there.
what I'm saying is you're almost dead now. You're dead now. The house there that we're going to have there, most likely we're going to keep it. The one that we have there that we live in from since we're kids. So you can't just sell it. You're almost dead. Anything happen, you're dead. We're just going to forget it. We're just going to keep our family house that we have there. We're going to keep that there. That's it. Okay? We're going to keep that there. Do you want something to eat now?
Well,
no, I'm tired of this.
Well,
do you want something?
Mom,
Mom, please. Do you want stop? No, Mom, I don't want to talk about it no more. Stop talking to me about it. Stop talking to me about it.
If you think I'm gonna keep that house, you wait till the people them come on and move out every blood clot thing out there. If you don't take nothing you want, everything will pack up and go in a crate. So I just make you know.
Good.
You understand me?
Good, Mom.
So you can stay there.
Do you want something to eat, yes or no? I don't have the energy for this.
Well,
I don't have the energy for this. Okay.
D'Angelo,
What?
we have one more. We are gonna get some feed. Give me the meat and the rice, but we have one more something to send to you.
No, Mom, I don't want to hear it constantly. I made some noodles. You're talking about you won't be able to eat good.
Is it no good food?
Rasta,
Fresh?
pasta.
Is it no good fresh? When did they cook it?
Yesterday.
Okay, because I don't like steel, because I don't want a 3-4 day food to eat.
Exactly.
That the rice they look like it cook about 2 weeks now.
No. This cooked day before.
Yeah, really?
No, for real.
I don't want the day before. I don't want to cook yesterday.
That's the noodles.
So give me the noodle.
This is gonna.
And D'Angelo, it's a prank.
What's up, prank?
I'm not selling nothing and going back to no Jamaica. I'm just telling you that to see your reaction.
Okay. No. Come, please. Go.
Come on!
I'm gonna send you to Jamaica. Come.
That's not a blood clot.
Come.
Go touch my bum.
And I just want to butt you too.
You're such a nasty dog. You're so disgusting. You think you'll get none, you not get blood clot, not out of that.
Out of what?
The house they're gonna sell eventually.
Where's it gonna go?
Me gonna take the money.
Yeah, I know, but when you're dead, the money has to go somewhere. What are you talking about? You're not gonna go over there to a house that's like Jamaica. That's not gonna happen. When you're dead, the money has to go. You can take the money. I don't care about the money. Nobody's going to Jamaica. It's not happening. Jeez.